Hello, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Leo, and today I thought I'd share all the journals and planners I am currently using. Let me start with my planners. I am currently using these three here. First is my bullet journal, which contains everything I need. My whole life is in here. I also use this A5 Happy Planner to plan out my work, like experiments and simulations. The third planner I have is a personal happy planner for all my social media content, like videos and posts. Now for my journals. I have these two, a morning journal and a traveler's notebook. My morning journal is in a Moterm A5 cover, and I use it to journal in each morning. I use the traveler's notebook to keep other journals in. I have 3 inserts in here. The last one is my evening journal, and the others are traveling journals or an art journal. I do have a couple of other journals I keep on hand. The first is a notes journal. I use this to take notes when I'm in a meeting or a talk. The second is a Moterm personal rings. In here I keep other important information, lists, or other personal items. These are all my current journals, and I'm constantly changing my system, so subscribe so you can see more. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.